Welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. We will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when we are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into a reasonable amount. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and of course the red arrows, and of course at each pullback we were having opportunity to come in again. Okay, it broke out from this support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it's going to keep on selling, and you may need to check the higher time frame to see where it is going next. I mean the next support zone, but for now it is still selling. Okay, if it does not break out below this support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend right from here. It got to this resistance zone and had a major pullback, but went back there to break out above it, and of course it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above that resistance zone, then definitely it's going to keep on buying till it get to the next resistance zone. Okay, but for now it is still within that region. If it's unable to break out above this, then it's going to go back on downtrend. We should take note of that. Okay, so right here it started an uptrend after ending this downtrend around this support zone. You can see the yellow flag. We got our first entry point here, second entry point, and here is the third entry point. Okay, and it is still buying at the moment, so we should take note of that. Okay, so you can go ahead and keep on buying that. Okay, then the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. This had been on downtrend from this resistance zone. Got our first entry point from here, second one from here, third one, and fourth one. Okay, this had got into this support zone, got there around there, and still got there again, still unable to break out below it. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, but wait for every necessary signal before you follow up with it. Selling at the moment, but might not be for a very long time. Okay, so watch out for the buy trend because it has got into a support zone already. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. It started the downtrend from here. You can see we have so many entry points, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and of course I played around there for a while, but eventually broke out below this support zone, and it is still selling for now. If it's unable to break out below the next support zone, then it will go back on buy trend because it is very close to a support zone already, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.